Most AI tutors answer a difficult question with more text. AHA turns it into a visual learning experience that asks the learner to reason and adapts what they see next. Now we input a question we are unsure about. Here, an autonomous probe needs its rate of change right now.
An autonomous probe is approaching a narrow gate. Average speed cannot tell it whether to brake right now. It needs to know how fast its position is changing at this instant.
The story creates the need to know, but the deterministic graph does the actual explaining.
Choose 2 points on the curve. The slope of the secant through them is the average rate of change over that interval. As the second point approaches the first, the interval shrinks and the secant settles toward a tangent.
This is where AHA stops being a passive video. I'll choose a common misconception. AHA records that as learning evidence and switches representation. It shows that the horizontal and vertical changes shrink together, so their ratio can approach a non-zero value. The rest is a bit more explanations and some extra practices.
F of x plus h minus f of x. Their ratio is the difference quotient. For f of x equals x squared at x equals 1, expansion gives a function value difference of 2h plus h squared. Divide by h and cancel to get 2 plus h. As h tends to 0, the slope tends to 2. The derivative maps every position in a function to its instantaneous rate of change there. The function tells
now
us
moving
where we
on to
are.
how we use
The derivative
GPT
tells us how fast
5.6
that
and
state is
Codex.
changing.
This is a pre-rendered
Now complete
demo,
a new-
but GPT 5.6 powers new lessons through the Responses API and structured outputs. It turns questions or PDFs into narration, visuals, and checkpoints. AHA delivers an animated whiteboard first, then upgrades it with validated Manim scenes. This turns AHA from a handcrafted demo into a platform. Codex helped us turn that model capability into a product. It challenged our passive question in, animation out idea and shaped the adaptive learning loop. It translated our decisions into specifications, typed contracts, and architecture, helped implement the player, both rendering tracks, grading, adaptation, and fallbacks, debugged real failures, and created over 100 focused tests. Shared project memory let two teammates Codex work build on each other instead of restarting from the same prompt.